What's up to Duke Squad? Today I am in the Phantom Dimension trying to get enough coins for another pet potion. Mango is now level 3. And no, I do not have my own Phantom Portal yet. I used someone else's. I tried to get a deal on like entire Ghost Knight set for free pet potions. Ow. So I want to oof 5 regular phantoms. Oh God, I have the devil's amount of coins. Oh God. The reason I want to oof 5 of them, and it has to be like this kind, I'm pretty sure. The reason is so I can get to the next area, which will allow me to get even more paint seeds. Because I've been to the Serapia Forest in the Phantom Dimension before. I'm pretty sure it was just off camera. And the more paint seeds I have, the more phantom coins I can collect. And too bad paint seed trees are off sale now. Or at least I think they're off sale. They ain't purchasable in the Alpha headquarters anymore, but there's still paint seed trees in the Phantom Dimension, and then some people have their own paint seed trees. So like once I use up all my paint seeds, I'll be on my way back to the surface world, or regular world. Oh, it seems like these are a lot faster now. Need to be really careful. Won't be able to really get perfects anymore. It's been quite a long time since I've last been to the Phantom Dimension. It was like last month. I don't even know if I went to the Phantom Dimension last month. But yeah, it was quite a while ago. But I'll be going to the Phantom Dimension daily, so I can get some Phantom coins. And I don't know if I told you guys about this yet, but you can use other people's pet stations. But like getting play with your pet potions is like a way, like it's another way to get here, but like it isn't like, it doesn't allow you to, well, getting play with your pet potions is a way to get to the downers only area, but it doesn't, but like it's only like for 1 hour. This guy just spawned and I'm gonna oof him. This one is going to take some hits. Yeah, I won't be able to take down another one. We don't even have half the right amount to get a play with your pet potion. But I'm honestly planning on getting a bulldog bungalow. And shout out to Pastel Cat Zero for letting me use their phantom portal. Wait, if I am a member, can I use other people's paint seed trees? Because as a member, you can use other people's pet stations. Ooh, there's a new epic den. Glacier Spring Spa. I don't really go to epic dens. Looks like it's Ice Age themed. Go cheat the system at the pet hideout. Sapphire. We still haven't gotten our member chest today. weird. But I am going to the Alpha hideout so we can do some pack runs. I now have color. Wait a second, if my squirrel now has color, does that mean I have a pet squirrel now? Does that mean I have a pet squirrel now? Oh my god. It might actually mean I have a pet squirrel. Member chest. And at the end of every month, I'll renew my membership, and I'll be able to, I'll have 250 spare sapphires to spend on stuff. And I'm probably gonna spend it on, I don't know. Because apparently, you need 250 sapphires to hatch a dino egg. I don't know. But by the end of the month, I'll probably have Mango at level 5 by then. So instead of getting a new animal, I'll probably get the Bulldog Bungalow, and then I might also get a My Shop. Stone Glove. That's something that the traveling salesman has right now. There are so many member chests out at the moment. But by the end of the month, y'all should be able to go to my den, and there should be a My Shop. My den is always open, it's never locked. And y'all will be able to trade me to lower the prices when I do get the My Shop. But if I do something that my parents think is worth, if I do something that makes my parents decide to give me $2 worth of sapphires, then I'll use those sapphires for a mine shop. The squirrel here is not doing anything. They ain't even looking for member chests. They're doing absolutely nothing. And that does not make Red Squirrel happy. $100 gems. Next, we need the squirrel's hiding place. But I'll do a pack run each video from now on. All right, let's get those purple cat ears. I'm really sorry about the lag. Man, I really wish there were like pet items in the Mesoterra. I guess these wings are okay. Yeah, there's a reason why these homemade wings won't work. Wait a second. Is this daily? Oh, it's every hour. Oh. Every hour. Okay. I see. Do we got a new pet squirrel? No. That's the new skip down glove. Poor Mingo. I seriously am curious on what I can get with, like what I will get from the pet token. Let me check how long it is before Honey Paw and Honey Ferret return. Because I sent them on expeditions at the same time. 9 hours? 9 hours? It'll be like 10 o'clock at that time. They can help me get the... They can help me get the pet token faster. And the more pet tokens I get, the easier it will be to get pet tokens, and the more pets I'll have for expeditions. When the expeditions, they'll help me get more stuff. And that will help me with trading. I want pet squirrel. I want pet squirrel. That is what we're going to be doing for this video. Just more pack runs. I want pet squirrel. I now figured out how to get the pet squirrel. Just start already. Just start it! Alright, I am guessing that this means my squirrel will be a red one when I get one. So if my squirrel does end up being red and white like my leopard, I'll get some green items for it as well. I wanted that tree. If at least 100 acorns are collected in total, and I should unlock the squirrel hiding place for me. I'm guessing a lot of these people are waiting until the last minute to deliver their acorns. Like most pets, like they have like free items associated with them. And then there is the pet lighthouse, which can be used by all of them. So I'm guessing that like the squirrels are hiding places, like the last one that we need before we can like start working on unlocking the actual pet squirrel. And Mango is probably going to be that one pet that I don't send on expeditions. Because, like, I'm only... Like, my main goal is to get her to level 5 so I can play as her. But I'll do at least a one pack run every day, so that would help me like get extras of like stuff. Like I could get multiple squirrels that I could put on trade, and I could also put like the items for them on trade. Seems like that squirrel also knows that they don't really have enough time to like travel to some more acorns and deliver them in time. Come on, you can do it! Next is a squirrel statue. How many squirrel items are there? Well, I'll end this video here, guys, and I'll upload it like after I finally get my squirrel. See y'all in the next one. Bye!